Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set international shipping in Shopify. So just click on setting, and now after that click on shipping and delivery, and now click on manage, and after that here you will find the option for the rest of world or international shipping, and after that click on edit rate. So here you can set the rate for international shipping. Like in my case, I am adding this rate. After that click on done button. So finally you can see we have added a shipping rate here. So here you can also click on edit zone and type the zone name and select the country. After that, just when you select the country, click on done button. So in this way you can set up international shipping in Shopify.